Rock Road.
No, we're not.
Okay. We were on Little Rock Road. Okay, so basically with the F05, like I said, I want to drive it more than I drove the FK8, which means one of the things I want to do is go on driver's roads or just really nice roads to go for a drive. Not all of them have to be super twisty. Some of them could just be scenic routes or anything just to enjoy driving the car. And today, my wife, Kylie's, has planned a route for us. I don't know where specifically we're going, but it's towards Little Rock, right?
We just went through Little Rock.
Well, I have no idea where we're going. So I want to go check out all the driver's roads, whether they're twisties, scenic, any of that stuff. Really just enjoy the driving experience. I mean, look at this. This is a two-way road, a lot of these back roads. I think we should do like a rating system as I go through like all these roads. Fun factor, funness. What else?
Scenic.
Scenes. Yeah, check this out. Nice backcountry. Okay, so funness. I already forgot. Scenes, scenic. How scenic is the road? Road quality. Is it gonna be too crazy to really drive like a lowered vehicle or anything like that? So that's 3. Is there anything else we should add? Okay, that's all I can think of for now.
If anyone else can think of something, put it in the comments below.
Yeah. I'll take road recommendations too. Quick little third gear pull. Yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty fun. Made it to somewhat of a stopping point, but on the way up, I did see on the map there's some other different curvy roads that we could take, especially like right here. Anyways, we stopped at a prison. This is where Kylie took me. Scenic and also rough patches.
I said if I had to go to jail, this is where I want to go.
Yeah, it's a nice view for a prison. Out in the yard. Yeah. Was that the road or is there more?
That's it.
Okay. Okay, let's start with funness. 1 to 10. I think I'd give it a 6. I think it could be more fun going a little faster, but it is also short. I'll go 6. Nah, I'll put 5. It's the first one we're going to.
I think funness also goes, for this road in particular, it goes hand in hand with the quality of the road.
Yeah.
Because it's rough.
Yeah, there's some rough patches.
I mean, you can drive, but like...
If you're going fast, I think your car's gonna hit those bumps pretty bad.
So therefore.
Yeah. Which leads into the next category, road quality. I'm gonna go...
It could be worse. It was paved.
It could be worse. There were some bumpy spots. I'll go 4 out of 10. The scenes were pretty nice, though all the places we've been to, I know there's gonna be some nicer views. So to start off, I'm gonna give it I think I'll also do 4. Do 4 out of 10, because it's primarily just woods. Yeah. And then maybe one of these days we'll check out the side roads. I can tell just by looking at the yellow lines that this road's a little bumpy. They're wavy. So we're on road number 2 for the day, and this is Little Rock Road, actually, not the other one. And I think this one's more of just a chill drive, more of an open area than the other road we just checked out. But this is more just like, if you want to clear your head, decompress, clear your head, just nice drive. The weather isn't the best right now, but I could imagine this on like a nice sunny day being like a really beautiful spot. Super nice. Okay, so that road we just did is a personal recommendation from Kylie. And that road was better than the first part, that's for sure. Alright, well, funness factor. I think that was more fun. Oh, I'm trying to think. It's pretty much the same length. It felt like the same length. I'm gonna put it 1 up because the road was also nicer, so it felt nicer to drive. So I'm gonna say 5. I'll put that, bump it up. It was still short, so it wasn't quite long. So 5 on the fun, 5 out of 10 for fun. Road quality, so much better. I'm gonna say that's a 9. That's a 9 out of 10. That could even be a 10 out of 10. It was pretty much good. There weren't too many dips. I'll go 9. I'll go 9 out of 10 for road quality. And the seats were better because it wasn't too enclosed. I don't even remember what I gave the other one. I don't even remember. I think I said 5. I'll go with 6. I'll go 6 out of 10. It was slightly better than the first one. So I have officially signed up for Autocross at this year's Honda Fest. It'll be the first time I've ever autocrossed, which means I'm very unprepared. But I've taken the first step to get prepared, and that is getting some equipment. So not just for autocross, but for videos that I plan to do for driving. I've already started filming some driving and driver's roads footage. So this is gonna be a lot better for the in-cabin footage. I got a suction cup mount and some GoPro mounts. This is primarily for my other package. Yep. Your boy got a helmet. So this is one of 5 helmets that I bought of $1,000 worth of stuff. But it's actually only 3 different types of helmets I bought and just a couple different sizes, just to make sure that I get the right fit. There is a race shop near me that people were recommending that's about an hour away. When I checked the website, the helmets they had were astronomical in prices, like talking $800 to $1,000. This one from ILM on Amazon, I think it was like $200. So, oh yeah, yeah. Okay, I think this is a size small, probably. Oh no, this is a size medium. Oh, feels kind of heavy though. I have nothing to compare this to. This is gonna be wild. Got a new camera mount. I'm trying to figure out the best place to put it. Right now, this is gonna have to do. I'm actually on the way to return most of the helmets that I bought, so I'm just super stoked about that. Finally be able to push the FL5 harder than just street driving or spirited driving. Now let me try this helmet from Amazon just to see how comfortable it is on the drive.
Also the audio. Right now, I can only hear muffled sound in my voice. I have no idea what you're hearing, but let's see how it turns out. As far as comfortability goes, seems pretty good. Vision seems good. Yo, I'm stoked. Plenty of room, except when I was trying to put it on. Yeah, it seems awesome. Oh, you know what? This feels a lot cooler. I don't know if you can hear me better too with the this open, but oh man, cool air coming through feels so good. And I'm feeling like people are probably hardcore judging me right now because it's just some dude in a helmet driving on the road. All right, let's see if oh yeah, here we go. Hardcore. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah, dude, this is gonna be sick! The helmet and camera mount worked out great, but the GoPro mount needed some trial and error. I tried multiple different mounting locations and angles, including a chin mount, but ultimately mounting the GoPro to the side of the helmet worked the best. With that, I'm hoping I can get some good footage to document, but to also do some film study afterwards. Alright, so figured out that the side mount is going to be the best just because all the chin mounts are a little too low. So side mount's going to be great for getting footage at the Autocross event tomorrow. But now just prepping the car a little bit, just got to empty it out. One, taking out the car seat. This has been super helpful too. I got to use this when going to work and having to pay in a parking garage, and I can't reach the dang ticket thing. This works. Alright, everything's out of the car. Put it into the Pilot. She's going to be the sports vehicle, but yeah, pretty stoked. It's going to be fun tomorrow.